and then from there you can see in which market you can start applying it, and the business just comes after you have created your platform or whatever you do in technology. Then from there you can see as a business, or maybe sell it depending on whether you want running or do you want to like get a certain market, certain value out of what you've created.
Okay.
The main goal is not to start a business, but it's to create something that helps. At the end of the day, you can decide whether I want to business.
I totally agree with that. That the main thing is creating something that's going to help people, and when you create something to help people, you often make a profit from helping people, because people, when you buy things that makes the life easier, that makes the life easier, and what makes people's life easier is that it helps them. Yeah.
So actually, when it comes to a point of like being innovative and also this, I think experience also counts. So in a way of choosing between business or going to big companies, I think if you don't have to wait to be innovative or sit down just to think of an idea to be innovative. You can go to
you also don't have to be under pressure to be innovative.
I think that's where going to big companies, the pressure, that's where you get the pressure and also the experience. So that when you have your business on the side, you actually have to know the ins and goings of what the industry is looking for, what technology is also moving in one trend,
It helps being, sometimes it helps being in a company and actually seeing a gap in the market and then creating a solution to actually solve that problem. And that's how a company could start. Okay, so I totally agree with you guys that, being an entrepreneur doesn't have to be something that's forced onto you. People don't have to tell you must be innovative. Innovation doesn't just come. You don't just come, come up with innovative stuff to create. So I agree with you guys, and I would love to hear more from this side as well. What are you guys working on? What's your name?
I'm Sin Mflo.
Sin?
I'm Sin Mflo.
I'm Sin Mflo.
I'm Leti Masango.
Noti? Masango.
Yeah.
And?
Ayanda.
Ayanda. Shiba. Okay, very nice to meet every single one of you. So guys, that's pretty much, it's very nice to meet you guys.
Any question you guys have for him? Question?
I also want to know, tell me more about your experiences in the field that you are in. What is it that you've actually learned? What is it that you can actually give back to the youth? In terms of mistakes and how to grow, from your own experiences, from what you've been gathering all these years.
Okay. Phew, that's quite out there. Okay.
He has a podcast.
One of the biggest lessons that I've learned is that as an entrepreneur, there will be a time when you do run out of money. And when you do run out of money, you either keep going and you learn to accept yourself and who you are as a person, or you can just quit. And I've had friends that have done some really horrible things, because they couldn't take the pressure anymore. So that's one lesson. Number two, as a business person, you can't do everything by yourself. When you start a business, either you are the guy who's doing stuff, or doing all the stuff, or you need brain to actually make the things work, and you have other people that are the outside people, the people that go, like the warm bodies that go and help you grow the business. And for your business to actually work and succeed, there has to be a leader and a visionary, someone who's always making sure that everything that you're doing is actually leading to growing your business. So on that point, there has to be good leadership, and you can't start and grow a business by yourself. You need the right partners, you need the right employees, and not every single one of the employees has to be entrepreneurial minded. Okay, some people just want to have a job and do and do what they are told. Okay, and there's nothing wrong with that. Okay, because a lot of what I find as well is that a lot of entrepreneurs wants people that are working for them to be this like big thinkers and to solve all these problems. No, that's not for everyone. It's your job. It's your job if you are an entrepreneur to be that person and to actually work on the strategy and the goals and to solve the problems. And the people around you are there to help you get to that goal. So yeah, so leadership is very important. Those are my lessons. Yeah.
Okay. Apart from wanting to make change, what else keeps you going, making you wake up every day and say you really want to do whatever you want to do right now?
It's my sense of purpose. That's it.
Can I ask, like, when you talk about like having partners who actually believe in what you're doing, the problem is that how do you come about to identify those kind of people that you say these people are gonna be with me through the hardships and whenever everything goes wrong? How do you identify those kind of traits in people?
Traitors will always be there. But when entrepreneurs work with other entrepreneurs, that's what I found often works. Okay, if you're an entrepreneur and you want to start a business with someone who is not entrepreneurially minded, then you need to understand the type of person that you're bringing along. So that person essentially can't be your co-founder. That person, is either your employee or just someone to just help you get to the next level. And what you should be very careful of when you're starting something with someone, if it's your idea, is giving away your shares. Because imagine you start a business, you go 50-50 with someone who's not an entrepreneur, entrepreneurial minded, who just wants a job. Okay. Now imagine that person after 6 months and the business is not making as much money. Some people who don't even last a month, and business not going, they still want to keep their 50%, and they're not willing to carry on doing the work. So you should be very careful about that. So how to identify is look for proof. People who already started something, people who already are in business, people who are entrepreneurs. Yeah, that's how you find a good partner. But an entrepreneur could still stab you in the back and be a traitor. Yeah.
Can I just touch on something which I think you can also maybe advise to the guys with regards to just the reality of being an entrepreneur and knowing that you're going to lose money. So in business, there's the concept of runway, right? Which if you want people to invest in you, you need to have an element of runway, which is strongly based on how much money you're going to lose. And a lot of entrepreneurs seem to start businesses thinking that after 2 months we're making money. Ziasha. So how would you kind of say, guys, just prepare for those realities and the actual hardships of going into being entrepreneurs? Because a lot of the time they go into it with the mentality of, we're going to prove everyone wrong in 3 months, and next thing you're 9 months down the line and everything you're doing is failing. But in reality, if you planned and understood what you're doing and really invested in it, I think you become a better business person if you prepare for those things. So I don't know, what could you comment on that?
So number one, if you have a job and you want to start a business, don't quit your job to start a business. Keep your job, start a business. Only once your business is able to pay you enough or even more than what your job is, or if you're able to cover all your expenses, then you can quit your job so you can focus more of your attention. When you focus, there's a high chance of you succeeding in your business. So that's number one. Number two, you should be looking for clients. Whenever you start a business, you look for clients at first, and that's how. And I'm not so sure about the runway of how long you would have. But if you want to get investment from people and you want to start your business, you don't go out, bam, okay, cool, I have this whatever thing. Maybe you get pre-seed funding or from friends or family. But an investor, existing one, is not going to come and give you 1 million, no matter how awesome or how fantastic your idea is. You need to show numbers, and the only way you can show numbers is by doing the groundwork. Doesn't matter if you CEO or if you CMO or whatever. You pick up the phone, you call people, you make shit happen. Okay, so okay, and and you gain the clients. And after about 2 to 3 months of you actually acquiring clients, then you're able to go onto Excel and plot a graph to say like, look, in the first month, how much we have second, third, and you can actually plot like a graph to say, in 1 year, this is how much people that we will most likely have. So if you invest in us now, in the next maybe 3 years or so, we will be this big. So that's how people. So that's my advice to people who actually want to go out and actually seek funding. And in terms of like the runway, like I said, you make sure you don't quit your job to start a business. Yeah, and don't get a second job as well to supplement your income. But rather keep your job. Instead of getting a second job, start a business. You know, it doesn't cost you like the same amount starting a business and getting a second job. You know, yeah.
Okay. Last one is how do you the element of sustainability? You've been pushing for about 6 years now plus. How have you maintained, and despite all the challenges, the perception, zero funding, access, this and that, how have you maintained, the sustainability, in your business?
You adapt. You adapt to change. You adapt to your environment. You always continue changing. The minute you stop changing, that's when most businesses, stop being sustainable. And one very important thing is you try and always spend less than what you make, because the minute your expenses start going over what your revenue is, then that's pretty much the end of the business. But the most important thing, which me personally, the minute I stop making changes to the business, that's when I'm like, it's done. I'm finished. I don't want to keep growing this business anymore. Maybe there's something that's like better. The minute you stop making things as well, sure I think of selling. Okay. Yeah. So how you make sustainable is just keep adapting to whatever changes are happening in the market and staying on top of what's happening in the market. So if I'm going to get technical, that's when you do things like a political, environmental analysis, you do competitor analysis, you monitor who are the threats or what are the threats to your businesses. You look at your own internal strength as well within the organization, and you make sure and you focus on that and you push that forward as what your company is most good at. You look at your weaknesses and you look at ways to improve that. So that's when you bring in the right people to help you with where you are weak, and you have your strong team pushing you forward when you're strong in terms of your marketing, your PR, and just in general the service that you provide to your customers. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Mr. Wale, for taking your time.
Can I please just add one more point as well? I think the brother here spoke about finding the right people as well, asked about like partnerships and all, finding the right partners. I think a lot of the things that are very important as well is the case, like even if the room that you're sitting in now, if somebody's sitting in this room even right now, there's a strong component of interest, and sometimes it's very hard to find people who are willing to help. For example, I don't think I've known Langa for a while. I don't think we've sat and had a business, for example, that generated money between each other. But the relationship we have in terms of networking, in terms of always trying to be of service and help to each other, is more powerful than anyone who's going to come and give you a check for anything. That's, for me, I keep learning and understanding that part, that it's not just about the money in your pocket.
It's also about your network as well.
Your network and trusting the people who really want to help. Like this guy, I know this guy is beyond explainable, passionate about helping, but if you're short-sighted, you're not going to see that. And you're going to lose out a lot in how he can help you in 4 or 5 years' time when this guy is a billionaire, and you get what I'm saying? And the whole vision of this place is set up, but you are short-sighted to look at what. So it's very important to know the people who are really here to help and work, because that's what it takes. That's beyond money. Money is going to come regardless. Sure.
So I want to know, what have you done in giving back to?
Okay, I'm going to stop the recording now.
So started, I founded a company called Dropstore, which is going to help a lot of business people, artisans, people who create stock of finished goods. It's going to help them with getting the products more to online retailers. So it breaks the chain of people needing credit, from like retailers. It breaks the chain of that you have to have money and capital for you to start selling online. Okay, it breaks the chain for people who want to start online businesses and don't have access to capital for stock. Okay, any one of you guys right now, anyone, all of you actually right now, you can start your own online business right now within 10 minutes as we speak. So what I've done to give back is to create a solution, the software, and now we're also creating an online academy where a lot of the courses that's going to be helping online entrepreneurs to actually start their own businesses, to market it and everything. A lot of the courses are going to be free. Not everything's going to be free because we've got other third-party content creators on the platform. So essentially,
podcast as well.
So that's just one of it. And then we've also got an organization called Zastra Social Development, where we also are creating content and we're also helping with advice. Okay, that's still in the development stages because we mainly focus on Dropstore, which is the actual software, the actual product that will help people.
And the podcast as well.
And also before I forget, we also recording podcast, which is going to be free for to online entrepreneurs, and basically any entrepreneur can listen to it. And it's gonna have business acts, so it's called Online Business Startup Acts. So it's basically going to help people with like simple acts, because to my surprise, I speak to several people who have had websites for quite some time, but they never knew that all they had to do was just like plug in a payment gateway and they could start selling on their online store. We have people who create online stores, but they don't realize that creating is just like building a store in the middle of the desert. If you don't tell people about it, bring people to it, make it look good, to target the right audience, where you target these people, etc., you're not going to make any money. So we help those people, and we have even simple entrepreneurs, guys like myself, even where sometimes we struggle with balance. So we talk about the life as well, life-work balance, things that will help you grow as a person and help you grow your business. So that's how I've been giving back to the community the best way that I could. Yeah.
Wow. Guys,